Hi, and welcome back to a new video. Today, I found you a new very good guide and a step-by-step guide to how to debug Python code in Google Colab. So this guide is really good and really easy to read and to follow. They will show you every single thing and full method, and all of them are explained. Honestly, I needed to know how to debug Python code in Google Colab today, and I was searching a lot and I found this guide. So I said, let me share it with the guys. So they will give you examples and how to read it, but also they would show you how to use some comments in Google Colab, and how and why and the variables. They will show you every single thing, but also how to use some stuff like the debugger, and the useful comments that you can use with it, but also a lot of other stuff that I will not show you in details because I want you to read it, because it's really easy, really guys, and even how to install some stuff. So I will put the link in the description box, but if you want to just find it, you can go to directdiary.com and then come to projects with source code, go to Python, and I think it's the third. Yeah, it's here. Just go a little bit down. As you can see, it's 4 days ago. They just put it 4 days ago. Um, they are always putting some new stuff, so I really like this website. Don't forget about it. I will put everything in the description box, and this is the end of the video. If you want to find how to debug a Python coding collab, just come here and you will find everything.